In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GitHub link to LinkedIn. If you want recruiters, hiring managers, or other professionals to quickly find your coding work, adding your GitHub profile to your LinkedIn contact section is a simple and effective way to do it. It helps connect your professional profile with your projects, repositories, and technical activity all in one place. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. Make sure you're viewing your own profile, since that's where you'll be able to update your contact details. Once you're there, look near the top section of your profile for the contact info area. Click on Nazi Infos to open it. This section shows the ways people can reach you or learn more about your work, including websites and other profile links. If you haven't added a GitHub link before, this is where you'll do it. After the contact information window opens, click on Edit Contact Info. This will take you into the editing view, where you can make changes to the links and details attached to your profile. Take your time here so you don't accidentally change anything else you want to keep as it is. Next, click on Add Website. This option lets you include an external link, which is perfect for your GitHub profile. LinkedIn allows you to add websites so visitors can quickly jump to your portfolio, personal site, or in this case, your GitHub page. Now, paste your GitHub profile URL into the website field. Be sure you're using the correct profile link so people land on your main GitHub page rather than on a single repository unless that's your intention. It's a good idea to quickly double check the URL before saving, just to make sure there are no typos or missing characters. Once the link is in place, click on Save. This confirms the change and adds your GitHub link to your LinkedIn contact info. After saving, you may want to return to your profile and open the contact section again just to verify that the link appears correctly and is clickable. And that's it. Your GitHub profile is now connected to your LinkedIn account, making it easier for others to explore your technical work and get a better sense of your skills. This is a small update, but it can make your profile more complete and more useful, especially if you work in software, development, data, or other technical fields. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.